for Nigam branch, grade 2 maths lesson. Okay students, today from our maths lesson, you are going to learn a new lesson. Measuring and comparing liquids. Measuring and comparing liquids. From this lesson, you have to learn some new words. First, we are going to learn what are these new words. Vocabulary, new words. These are the new words you are going to learn from this lesson. The first word, measuring. The second word, comparing. Third word, liquids. Liquids means it may be water, it may be milk, it may be oil. Liquids. Capacity. Non-standard measuring unit. Hold. These are the new words you are going to learn from this lesson. Once again, we'll read measuring, comparing, liquids, capacity, non-standard measuring unit, hold. Okay. Look at these two kettles. Same shape, but the size is different. This kettle is big, this kettle is small. But they have same shape. Which vessel holds more liquid? Which vessel holds more liquid? If you can remember your grade 1 lesson in maths, according to the size of these two kettles, you can tell this big kettle holds more water, more liquid. We look at another example. Look at these two jugs. This one is small and that jug is big. So, according to these two jugs, you can say this big jug holds more water, more liquid. They have same shape, but the size is different. One is small and the other one is big. So, according to the size of these two vessels, you can tell the big vessel can hold more liquid. So, what are the things we can use as non-standard measuring unit? You learn this word in your vocabulary. Non-standard measuring units. What are they? Non-standard measuring units. So today I am going to measure the liquid by using a yogurt cup. So this is a non-standard measuring unit. I can show you some non-standard measuring units. You can use these kind of cup, like a teacup. So we can use different non-standard measuring units. So today I am going to use a yogurt cup as my non-standard measuring unit. So look at these examples. Yogurt cups, any small cup, tea cups, you can use as non-standard measuring units. We have to measure the liquid and we can count the number of cups as that they hold the liquid in that container or in that vessel. So, by comparing the capacity of the vessels, so we can do by measuring the amount of liquid that they can hold. We can compare the capacity of the vessel by measuring the amount of the liquid that they can hold. So, let's see how we measure and compare the capacity of the vessels. First, I am going to show you a bottle. Look at this bottle. This bottle holds some amount of liquid. So I have used water and I put some coloring. So look at this bottle. What do you think about these two bottles? Do they have same shape? No. So they don't have same shape. They are in different two shapes. But what can you tell about the capacity of these two bottles? Do they have same capacity? Shall we check? Yes, now we are going to check. Do these two bottles have same capacity? They have different two shapes, but we are going to check, do they have same capacity? Yes. How are we going to check? Let's look. Now, I fill this bottle up to this level. Now, I am going to fill the other bottle. Now I am going to pour the water to this bottle. Let's look. Yes, I was able to fill this bottle up to this level. So we can say these two bottles have different two shapes, but they have same capacity. So they have same size. Shape is different, but the size is same capacity. Once again, now I am going to fill this bottle. Look, one more time. So, I filled earlier up to this level, and when I filled into this bottle, it was up to this level. So, Though they have different two shapes, they have same capacity, same size. Now, I am going to show you another bottle. Look at this bottle and look at this bottle. Now, what you can say about these two bottles? What do you think? Do they have same capacity? But they don't have same shape. Shape is different, but we are going to check, do they have same capacity? Let's look. Now, what you can say? Earlier, this bottle had the water up to this level. When I fill this bottle, now it is up to this level. So what you can say about these two bottles? We couldn't be able to fill this bottle. We have this kind of space to fill with liquid. So we can say this bottle holds more liquid than this bottle. So this bottle holds more liquid than this bottle. So the capacity of these two bottles is not same. The capacity of these two bottles are different. The capacity of these two bottles are different. This bottle can hold more liquid, more. This bottle can hold less amount of liquid, less amount of liquid. Okay, now once again, I'm going to show you how this bottle can fill using this liquid. Look, now it goes up to this level. So, I hope you can understand this bottle holds less. This bottle holds more liquid. Okay, my dear students, we are going to do another activity. I am going to use my non-standard measuring unit and I am going to count how many cups do I need to fill this bottle. How many cups do I need to fill this bottle? Let's count. I am going to take liquid up to this level. When I take each cup, I am going to take liquid up to this level. Now we are going to count how many yogurt cups I need to fill this bottle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cups. I used 7 cups to fill this bottle. 7 cups. 7 cups to fill this bottle. And I'm going to show you another bottle. Look at this bottle. What do you can say about this bottle? Shape is different, but we'll check the size. We'll check the size. We'll check the capacity of this bottle. Now I am going to pour water into this bottle. We are going to check the capacity of this bottle. Do they have same capacity or do they have different capacities? Yes, they have same capacity. I could able to fill this bottle. So these two bottles hold same amount of capacity. Same amount of capacity. Shape is different but size is same. These two bottles hold same amount of capacity. Look at the shape, but size is same capacity. So I used 7 cups of yogurt cups to fill this bottle, and the same amount of water I poured into this bottle. And I could able to fill this bottle up to this level. And these two bottles hold same amount of capacity. So this bottle holds 7 cups of water, 7 yogurt cups of water. So they have same capacity. Now I am going to show you another activity. Look at this bottle and look at this bottle. So you can understand different shapes, but you understood they have same capacity. Now I am going to fill this bottle and we are going to check how many yogurt cups do I need to fill this bottle. Let's see. Okay, this is my non-standard measuring unit. So I am going to fill the liquid up to this level. One, two, three, four, five, six. This bottle holds 6 yogurt cups of water. 6 yogurt cups of water. And these two bottles have same capacity. So these two bottles hold 6 yogurt cups of water. 6 yogurt cups of water. These two bottles hold 7 yogurt cups of water. 7 yogurt cups of water. So, what you can say? These two bottles hold more capacity because they can hold 7 cups of water. 7 cups of water. Look at these two bottles. These two bottles, the one bottle can hold 6 cups of water. 6 cups of water. These 7 cups, these 6 cups. So, out of these two sets, these two bottles have more capacity than these two because they hold 7 cups of water. 7 cups of water. These two hold 6 cups. So, according to the number of cups, we can say which bottle has more capacity. Which bottle has more capacity. Okay. If you think that two kettles, the one kettle holds 10 cups and the other kettle holds 6 cups. The 10 cups kettle has more capacity. Okay, I hope you can understand and how to find the capacity by measuring and comparing. According to the number of cups, you can say the vessel can contain more or less. If one vessel can hold 8 cups and the other vessel can hold 5 cups, 8 cups vessel is the 8 cups vessel can hold more amount of liquid. It has more capacity. So, comparing two vessels according to the number of cups that they can hold, you can select which kettle hold more and which vessel hold less. So I hope you can understand today's lesson. comparing and measuring liquids by using non-standard measuring units. So I want to recall your memory about non-standard measuring units. So as non-standard measuring units, you can use yogurt cups, tea cups, or any plastic cup, or any small containers. So by using non-standard measuring unit, you can count how many cups we can pour into that vessel or container, and you can select which vessel hold more or less. I hope you have done your maths workbook activity by comparing number of cups. You can select which container or which vessel holds more and which vessel holds less. So you have learned new words from this lesson: capacity, non-standard measuring units, hold, and other one is measuring, comparing. First you measure and then you have to compare which one holds more and which one holds less. So thank you very much for listening to our lesson, and you can practice at home by using non-standard measuring unit and take some containers, some bottles, different shapes, different sizes, and count how many number of units or as a number of cups you need to fill this your selected vessels, and then finally you can select which vessel can hold more and which vessel can hold less. Remember, when you're using your non-standard measuring unit, if you fill water up to the brim, so every cup should be filled up to the brim. If you filled your cup up to this level, then every cup should be filled up to this level. So you have to pour same amount of water. You have to take same amount of water or same amount of liquid when you are using non-standard measuring unit. Okay, thank you for listening to today's lesson, and do some practicals by using different shapes of vessels and experience how many cups you need to fill and find the capacity by comparing and measuring. Okay, thank you. God bless you.